Welcome back to Sunanta Daily Channel. Today I'm gonna cook the street food, and it's quite popular food and well known. You might know this menu, green curry, because this food well known in Thailand in local. So I'm gonna share how to make this recipe, how to make this menu. So very easy. You can make it at home by yourself. So let's look at the ingredients. This is the main ingredient. This is green curry paste. So we cannot make it without green curry paste. This protein, I use chicken. I use chicken breast because chicken breast is good for health. The another ingredients, I use Thai eggplant, and this is beans, eggplant, and this is bell chili that's as for decorating the green curry. This is sweet basil, so just for decorating and good smell. This menu I prefer to use milk instead of the coconut milk because someone cannot eat because it's very high cholesterol and good for healthy than coconut milk. Okay, let's cooking. And add some milk, a little bit milk for stir fry the green curry paste, and then add the green curry paste and stir fry. And add chicken. Stir fry chicken until chicken was cooked, and then add milk and waiting for around 5 minutes until the water is boiled. When the water is boiled, add the eggplant and when the eggplant was cooked, then put chili and sweet basil. Okay, this green curry making by Sunanta, and I hope this recipe good for someone who like healthy food or on diet. So because I didn't use sugar, coconut milk, green curry can eat with rice or fermented rice noodle. Today I gonna eat green curry with fermented rice noodle. I really like fermented rice noodle. It's very perfect with green curry. I hope you enjoy my video and thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.